Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Gemini, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances, you can watch that reading. And it's better you watch till the end of the reading, Gemini, because at some point of time, since it is an intuitive reading, you may get the answers you are looking for. So, for your situation today, we have Nine of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and Sun. So, with these cards in your circumstances today, maybe in your career, or maybe this may be the case in this relationship, you are someone really happy, you feel happy to be with this person, confident, and you rely on this person, trust them, and you love them, and you believe that this relationship is moving towards something positive, something really good, and you are happy for the way things are going, and you're thinking of marriage or commitment with this person. But this person is someone different. Maybe you have not understood them properly. Maybe they are not thinking of you in such a way. They are not thinking of marriage or commitment with you because they have a lot of doubts. They are confused about you. And they are not someone who is honest about their feelings. They are not telling you something. They feel that they cannot trust you, they cannot rely on you. And the reason maybe they are quite confused about something, maybe they are having some information about you, something making them lack that trust on you. And they are trying to gather information about you, trying to find out more about you. Maybe they are spying on you secretly. They are asking your friends or family members what is the reason for your behavior, or whether certain things they hear about you, whether it is true or not. So you are trusting this person, but they are not to be trusted. So, this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. Maybe they trust you, but you are, what to say, you do not have that trust. Mutual trust is not there. And maybe you are spying on this person. You are unable to, what to say, trust them because of some reason. You may have your own reasons. And you don't want to tell them what it is and what is the reason for the way they are, the spying or doubts, whatever the reasons may be. So maybe for some of you, Gemini, this connection, it may not work, Gemini. So even in your career circumstances, you are, what to say, trying to do your best, but the returns you see today, it may not be something very good. It may not be equal to all those efforts you are making today. So you need to be more patient. This may not be the right time for you to decide something important. So you need to hold on for some more time and do not make any important choices today. Maybe circumstances look like you are happy, you are peaceful, content with the present circumstances, but this time, if you make some choices, it is not going to give you happiness. Let it be in your career or in your relationship. So, that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so we will start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this card, we will see what it is. Fair brown and trembling. So, with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, whenever this card comes to you, it just means that you are supposed to manifest whatever you wish for and do not accept the fate someone else is forcing upon you. You will, maybe you are shy about something, you are feeling really humiliated, and all that humiliation you have gone through in your life, all that troubles or whatever circumstances, toxic circumstances you have been through, and you were really hurt. But very soon you will find the person who will respect you for what you are, respect your characteristics, respect your uniqueness. And this person will protect you, and this person will fight for you, and they will also search for you if you are not to be found. That will be their dedication to you and to this love you both will share. And there is a good fortune coming to you, guys, for those who chose this card. And you need to value yourself and believe in yourself, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. Maybe the strangeness or shyness, whatever it is the most valued and treasured qualities you have. You need to understand that. And all that goodness you have today, maybe the opportunities, maybe people within your own family are not kind towards you. They are quite jealous, or they are thinking of you in a bad way. They may have bad intentions towards you. And you need to understand that if you are in a good position, maybe financially, or that's what I mean. Financially, if you are in a good position, you have a lot of things people may be envious about. It is all the fruits of your own hard work, and you need not give it away to someone. You need not share it with the people who do not care for you, guys. It will never bring happiness to that person and only to you. And you need to understand that. And you are someone unique, and you need to have that trust in yourself. And you will find that true love, long lasting love, that is coming towards you, and this person will understand you and respect you for what you are, what you truthfully are, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Pink Sapphire. So it is a crystal spirits card here, guys. So with this card, it just means that you need to heal yourself. That is the energy with this crystal spirit, the Pink Sapphire spirit. It just means that you need to turn inward, and you need to be concerned about yourself and not with others at this particular time. Let go of any urge you are having to think about the past, assessing what happened, what went wrong, and reliving the past. That is not going to help you in any way. You need to You deserve to be happy, confident, and faithful. So, in order to achieve all that, you must let go of all that old stories, release the pain that is no longer serving you. So, you need to, maybe sometimes we may feel sad, we may feel like crying. We need to vent it all, vent out, go for a good cry, give up all that energy out of you, all that negative energy out of you, make way for it out of you. And you need to fill yourself up with love and acceptance that you so much deserve today. So, this crystal card just reminds you that you are what you are, all that you need to be right now. You are whole, you are someone, a beautiful spirit, and conscious universe which is loving you is telling you that you are very strong as you are, and you need not feel anything negative about you. And this crystal spirit teaches us forgiveness, guys. So when we forgive, we let go of all those toxic feelings and we welcome love and happiness in our heart. So that is the energy here with this card. And that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.